Farmer leaders became emotional in a Senate hearing this week as they appealed for help amid the steep drop in palay prices.
Napakasakit isipin na sinasabi nilang lahat, bayani kami. Pero nasaan? Itinuring nyo kaming bayani pero kinalimutan kami.
Gemma Tabian, president of Bantay Occidental Mindoro, told the Senate Committee on Agriculture that farmers feel forgotten by the government.
Kaya po kami, Mr. Chair. Kaya po, nasaan ang hustisya? Bibilhin ang aming palay, 8 piso, 10 piso. Kumain ka sa Jollibee, kumain ka sa McDo. Magkano ang isang kakapiranggot na kanin? 25?
She said the 20 peso per kilo rice price pushed by the administration has caused farm gate prices of palay to fall to as low as 8 to 10 pesos per kilo.
Mga magsasaka, sana po, ito pong lahat ng aming mga hinaing na ito, opo, wala po akong datos na hawak na katulad nila. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, hindi ako master degree.
Far below the 14 to 15 peso production cost. Senator Kiko Pangilinan, who chairs the committee, warned that continued low prices could force farmers to abandon rice farming altogether. He urged the government to set a floor price and restore higher rice tariffs to protect local producers. Farmers' groups echoed Tabian's call, saying they only want fair prices for their harvest, not to be remembered as the country's forgotten heroes.